Hi everyone. This week we're going to begin our look at Scratch, which is it's kind of an online environment, programming environment for kids, and an exploratory environment. So to begin, go to scratch.mit.edu. Now once you get here, the first thing to do is join Scratch. It's free and it's pretty easy to sign up. This whole environment is developed for kids, so everything is pretty straightforward. Just click on Join Scratch. And through this, you'll have to create a name and a password. And once you have that, you can sign in. So I'm going to just skip forward to the sign in part so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm signed in now. Once you've signed in, go to Create to create a new Scratch area. And this is what it looks like. On the left side, you've got your display screen. And this is called a sprite. It's in the middle of your screen, and this is the element that you control at the beginning. In the middle, you have a whole bunch of different commands that you can use. And if you click on these little items up here, you'll see there's all sorts of different sets of commands having to do with drawing, having to do with sound, how things look, how things move, and so forth. So these are all worth exploring. Okay, and on the right side, this is kind of your programming area. So this is where we'll be putting together scripts that let you do things. So let me show you something very simple. What you would do is you just grab one of these commands and move it over here into your programming area. And now if you click on it and watch the sprite very carefully, you'll see that it moves a little bit to the right. I'm going to move it back now. And you can do things like you can change the 10 to 100. And if you double click on it, now it moves 100 steps over to the right. You can also have your sprite rotate. So I'm going to have it rotate 90 degrees. So I'll click on this. And now if you want, you can actually hook these together like puzzle pieces. So now when I click on this, it will move 100 steps and turn 90 degrees all at once. Like so. Okay, so this is the beginning of a computer program, basically a set of instructions, one after the other in sequence. You can add other things to your computer program. You can go to sound, for example, and let's have it, say, play a drum. Let's first just do that individually so we know what it sounds like. Let's try it a little louder. There we go. We can hook this up so now it will move 100 steps, turn 90 degrees, and play the drum all at once. There we go. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. Under Events, we can, rather than having to double click over here, we can set it up so that when the green flag, which is over here, is clicked, it does all these things. So let's go back and take a look and try it. Great. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is to start experimenting with your sprite and with different commands. You can do things with motion. That's a good place to start. You can do things with a pen. And pens are kind of cool because you can do things like you can say, put the pen down and move. So let's watch what happens now. So as you can see, putting the pen down causes the blue line to start drawing whenever the person moves. So you put the pen down, move, turn, and so forth. Okay, so start exploring with some of these and see what you can discover. And what we'll do is we'll share some of our discoveries online in Pepper. Now, how do you share them online in Pepper? Create a program like this that starts with when the green flag is clicked, and that's under Events, this first one. And once you've got something that does anything interesting, it could be playing music, it could be doing something graphical, anything at all, click on Share. Give it a name. And you're done. And now what you do is you take this project number up here at the top, the URL, and you give it to other people. And then they can run your program. So for example, if I start up a new window and I type in this, I enter the program, my thing starts up and I can press the green button and try it out. And if I want to see how the person has done it, I can go to See Inside. And See Inside will bring up the person's code. So this is a way for us to share code with each other and see how to do different things. Okay, I'm going to go back to the other screen now. So all you have to do once you've done something interesting is just go to the project page and publish it for other people. Okay, that's it for now. I'm looking forward to seeing what you come up with, and we'll share our ideas and go from there.